In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a parameter. Having a solid understanding of parameters is crucial when working with data sources, as it allows you to introduce a variable element that can make your data more flexible and dynamic. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. To begin, you'll want to edit your data source. Alternatively, if you're in the middle of editing a report, you can select a component that's tied to the data source you wish to modify. This is essentially your starting point for any adjustments you need to make to the underlying data. Once you're in the data source editor, you'll see an option to add a parameter. Go ahead and click on Add a parameter. This action allows you to create a new variable element in your data source, which you can use to customize data interactions further. We're now at the stage where you'll need to configure the parameter. Here's where you get to personalize it according to your specific needs. First, assign the parameter a name. Choose something descriptive that indicates its function or the type of data it will handle. This name is crucial for later reference, ensuring you and others understand the parameter's role without confusion. Next, you need to select a data type for your parameter. There are three main data types you can choose from: number, text, and Boolean. The data type you select should correspond to the kind of input you expect. For example, use number if you're dealing with numerical data, text for textual inputs, or Boolean if the parameter deals with true or false values. Another important option is to define permitted values. This step is optional but highly recommended if you want to limit the parameter to specific inputs. Permitting values can range from setting a numerical threshold, like allowing only numbers between 0 and 100, to providing a fixed list of acceptable text options. This can help prevent incorrect data input and maintain consistency across your dataset. With those details sorted, it's now time to set a default value. The default value acts as a fallback if a user opts not to change the parameter value. It ensures that there is always a baseline or initial value that remains consistent, providing stability in how data is processed or displayed. Finally, once you have everything configured, don't forget to save the parameter. Saving is crucial. It locks in the choices you've made and integrates the parameter into your data source, ready for use or further adjustments. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to setting up a parameter in your data source. By following these instructions, you can harness the power of parameters to make your reports more dynamic and adaptable. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out the rest of our channel for more useful tips and insights.